Welcome everyone, it's me Kinzaiman, and today I am going to unpack my ethnic package where I ordered these three dress. These two of these are only shirts, and one of them is my full suit. And the suit is cost me 4,890 rupees, and there is another embroidered shirt. There's another embroidered shirt which costed me 2,790, and there's another jacquard shirt which is for 1990. So we're gonna unpack it, and I am gonna show you which one is which shirt, and then we're going to check the stuff quality, and I'm also gonna show you all the designs and stuff, and it's from their new collection. So we are going to unpack and show you how does this look. Okay, now I have just turn it back, and we have as the service, they used this courier service. The procedure was not very tough but simple. I ordered it, and then they showed me the history here, view your order, where it is and stuff. And then I got a message from the rider that I am going to be the one who is going to deliver. Then I called him and asked him where you are, and I need to get my order delivered today. And then he ordered, but on the arrival he asked for my CNIC, and the message they sent me, actually the message was from this Trax courier service, and they told me his name and stuff, so we had to show him that message and the CNIC. Anyways, this was the procedure to accept the package, and now my brother has opened it, and we are going to take this item out. Here we have, oh my god, I'm so excited! We have these three dresses. Oh my god. Okay, I must say I love this one. The color is so great. And this one. Okay, these have all the tags on it, starting from this, which was of 3,990, means that 4,000, and it was this shirt, that purple one, and it was I don't know the stuff, but we can see here, maybe it would be written here. Yeah, it was embroidery shirt. Actually, it was on sale. You can see here the price tag was of 3,990, but I ordered it for 2,790. So you can see. Okay, there's another this jacquard shirt, which was for no, not again. My brother just started to open it, and we can see it was of 2,790 rupees, but I got it in 2,000 rupees. And then I have another, it's a suit, full suit, with trouser and shirt. It was of 6,990 rupees, but now it did cost me 4,890 rupees. Okay, we have two t-shirts and one suit. Sorry. Now, so we are going to open it, starting from the cheapest package. Okay. Okay, we are going to unpack it. I ordered it in small size, although I thought I could also wear the extra small, but I just always prefer to wear the loose one. So I ordered it in small size. My Brittany, yes, is for small, and it's from, oh my god, proud to see that it's made in Pakistan. Something at least good is happening in Pakistan as well. Okay, now let's open it carefully. Oh my god, I just love the smell, this fragrance of new shirts, new dresses. I love it. This is the size. This is too large, I guess. Oh my god, I think I ordered the wrong size. And unfortunately, it was written on their website that no return or no exchange policy. What? Anyways, I would have to wear it now. I can maybe alter it, but yeah, let's see. It's very big size. You can see 1, 2, and 3. This is the small size shirt now. 2 and this. Okay. Now we can also see the arms. 1, 2, and this. I don't know what am I doing, but I just have an idea. This is how you can make it from your hands. Well, it's a good shirt. It's a good one, but the size is not very good. They have placed these buttons and a stitch button inside. And this is the shirt. I'm so sad. This is the wrong size now. Now, this one. Okay, my brother is gonna help me out in opening this bag. I am very, very sad. Okay, open it now. Oh, it's from their Rosanna collection. The other one was from their casual collection, but it's from Rosanna collection. So let's unfold it. We got this here now. Okay. Although this is also big, but the stuff, due to the stuff, it will be managed. So I am not very sad. But this is a very good shirt. You know, when I saw it on the website, I was so amazed. You know, the handwork is amazing. The colors that have been used on this shirt is amazing. This is the embroidery that has been done on it. It looks like it's a hand embroidery. And the colors are so cute, like this purple and blue, purple and white, purple and something like, you know, peach. Colors like these. It's a great shirt. And they have placed some 2 buttons on it, 3, and these 2. And this. And there's a stitch button inside. And these are the shoulders. It doesn't look a good fit. And this is something happening here on it, back. This is how an ethnic shirt is stitched, you can see. But this is such a big, oh my god. What am I gonna do with it? But here we go. It's very lengthy. So this is how, and one thing more, sleeves. I also ordered it for its sleeves. It's crazy. Sleeves are stitched very well. Yes, here you can see. Okay, now let's bring it also away. Now let's open this. And here, this was my favorite when I ordered these 3. Now let's open it. This is my shirt. I hope the size will not be too big. I already ordered these 3 shirts in very wrong wrong size. Oh my god, colors are so cute, you can see. And this is also some work on it. This has been used. And the colors, you can see. Let me turn on the light. This is a shirt. It is so great. And nothing is on the sleeves as such, but this is something that they have done. And these, and yes, this. There is no stitch button inside because it's not very, yeah, there is. This is the one. So yeah. What are you trying to do, brother? Seems like he's trying to rip my new dresses, but I will not let him do this. Okay, here, and we have trouser as well. the reason I ordered it for. This is the trouser. It's in a good size, and they have placed some strips inside these. It's also small size, PSG pink, and this stuff. Okay guys, these were the dresses we have unpacked. You can see, and this is a very bad quality card. Anyways guys, hope you liked my video. Take care of you and have a good time, have a good life. Take care until my next video. Allah Hafiz.